How to write a college application essay. What's up amigos? My name is Enrique from Studybay, and today we're going to talk about something very interesting. You might be wondering how to write a good college essay and enter your dream college. Well, here on Studybay we have a lot of professionals at writing college essays, especially writing college application essays. So Studybay experts help me to collect lots of tips and tricks on how to write the best essay. So today I'm going to share them with you. Let's start? Let's go. So first of all, read the instructions carefully. Yeah, this may sound obviously to you, but you know, all the stress and excitement that preparing for college brings, it needs to be highlighted. When you do your test prep, make sure you also follow the application essay guidelines. Double check the requirement page and word limits, and organize your paper accordingly. Once you have read the instructions carefully, create an outline to organize your essay. While doing so, decide what message you want your essay to carry out. Choose a topic, that you are passionate about. The entire application process can be stressful, I know, but writing a great college essay can be fun and refreshing if you choose to write about something exciting, an exciting experience. Whatever your essay prompt is already given, you have to decide to tell about, pick a story or leave an impact on the reviewers. Kick off with a catchy introduction. Remember, the admissions officers have a limited amount of time to review all essays. Hence, start with a vivid story that will keep them engaged. But don't forget that this paragraph should reveal what your essay is about. An anecdote or interesting personal experience is a great way to start your writing piece. Yet, an engaging introduction should still be relevant to the body of your essay and to the main idea. You can use anything as a starting point, for instance, an experience, what changed during your life, during your vacation, or a friend from middle school that taught you a great life lesson. Any extracurricular activity that brought a positive change in your life, an ethical dilemma, or your first day at a new school, the first time you experience something different or new. Any of these can help you to demonstrate some of your personality's best traits and offer insights of the reviewer for who you are. Use your own voice. The admission usually committees are looking for outstanding personalities and authentic thinkers. So don't try to write something that numerous people have written already. Instead, base your essay on your own beliefs and unique experiences. Stay true to yourself and make sure your essay reflects the positive side of your personality, your ambitions, and also your skills. Be specific and get personal. Remember to be very specific about your passions and interests. This also may help you to avoid cliches. For example, if you are applying for a master program in sociology, you may write, okay, I am honored to apply for the master's degree in sociology at the University of Virginia because as long as I can remember, I have had a passion for contributing my bit for the betterment of the society. Instead, you should write something more like that. When I was 16, a TV documentary portraying the lives of underprivileged children damaged the way I looked at life, and I felt hopeless at the moment. Later I decided to do sociology because I came up with solutions to existing social problems. Write several drafts. If you can't write down your thoughts and ideas clearly on the first attempt, don't worry. Just turn whatever comes up in your mind, into the first draft. Then fine-tune and ideas and language. Then read it all again and ensure your ideas flows logically and your writing is coherent. Write great structure or remove details that look redundant. When you finish your essay, don't forget to proofread it for grammar and punctuation mistakes. Read it out loud. After proofreading, reread your essay, but this time aloud. You can also record yourself while you're reading, because this will help you to check if the entire reading is logical and consistent. Let someone else edit your essay. You can ask your parents, older siblings, the teacher, check their essay sounds coherent and depict your personality. They are more likely to identify mistakes you couldn't catch, so don't hesitate. And now I prepared the best college essay prompts for you. Listen carefully and feel free to use one of them while writing your essay. Number 1. Reminisce a time when you faced a step back or a challenge. How did you overcome it? How did it influence you? And what were the takeaways? Number 2. Describe a problem you would like to solve. It could be anything of personal importance, no matter the level of the problem. Explain what significance it holds and what steps you could take to solve it. Number 3. Describe an event that led you to your personal growth and gave you a chance to understand yourself better. Maybe something that happened recently. Number 4. Discuss a concept or idea and find something interesting or engaging that makes you lose track of time. Number 5. Write down your most awkward moment ever and how you were able to overcome it, and discuss your learnings from it. Number 6. What was the most difficult decisions in life? Why did you make that decision? Were you confident about it? How did it end up? Good, or did you fail? Number 7. Are you a risk taker, or do you prefer to stay in your comfort zone? Tell your reader more about any risk you took and paid off brilliantly, or a time you played safe. Surely, one of these points can work as a starting point for your impressive college application essay. Do you want to figure it out how to write your college essay even better? Well, we prepared plenty of useful links for you. You can find them out in the description. They are great examples of college application essays and even more tips on how to write an essay that leaves a great impression on the admission committee. Subscribe to the channel to receive more useful materials for your studies, and don't forget to please press the like. I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Enrique, namaste.